Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Force Tech Reviews. Doing another video today. In today's video, yes, I'm going to review this glass screen protector for my iPhone X. But before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, like I said earlier, yes, I'm going to review this glass screen protector for my iPhone X. Actually, shout out to the company sending this to me for review. I'm going to have a link in the description so you can pick it up from Amazon. Also with a 25% off discount code. So you can actually pick this up for $5 from Amazon. It was perfect timing. My son cracked the other one that he had on there. It had small cracks. So it was perfect timing. But let me pull this up from on Amazon really quick. And there you go. You can see it. Bam, there you go. Quave. It's an iPhone X screen protector. You can pause the video and read the rest. It is $7.99. But like I said, I'm going to give a code that you can get 25% off. Comes out to like $5 even for the screen protector. Bam, you can see it there. That's enough on Amazon. But like I said, I will have the link in the description. So that way you want to pick it up. Let's just look at the presentation. Nice and simple. If you want to pause the video, you can read that too. It says Delicate Touch on the back. There you go too if you want to pause that. It even has a little instructions. Bam, you can pause that too and read that. But let's get this open. See what you get in the package. So you get some dry and wet wipes. And then you get the 2-pack screen protector, glass screen protector. So let's put this one on the side. Yes, I'm going to try to do this on camera. Forgot how to turn this phone off. Look at that. Muscle memory. Turn the iPhone off. I'm gonna try to do this on camera. I may speed this up because again, like I said, nobody wants to see you really wipe down the phone. But let's see. You get a small application here. And just wipe down the phone, get my funky fingerprints off of it, clean it up. Make sure it's clean because you want it to stick. A bit of advice, make sure your hands are clean before you even try to install screen protectors on. That will definitely help out. Wipe it off with my cloth. They didn't give you any type of getting little lint off or little dust things off, no sticky things, but that's okay because I don't see any on the phone. My son actually taking pretty good care of the iPhone X. But alright, so here's the phone. Here's the fun part. Trying to install it on the camera is always fun. Alright, let's see if we can do this and still get it on that good. Look at it go. Hopefully you can see that on camera. That was pretty cool. Actually, I have a little bubble up here, but should be able to wipe that off. Get it away. Man, it actually went on pretty good for the first try too. The phone is starting up. Now, if you mess up, you do have another one, but I think I got it on there pretty good. Should be case friendly. But let's see. Still got that bubble. I know some of these little bubbles up here will go away pretty quick. But let's see how that looks. Man, that looks great. I mean, it feels really good. You can see how it fits. From pretty much from the top to the bottom. I do have some little bubbles up here. But like I said, that should go away with time. I always had those, but they disappear. But that's actually pretty good, and it fits from all the way to the bottom to the top. Let's see the touch. My kid has all these apps on here. Has his own Twitter. I don't know why he has PayPal, but he does. Facebook, ESPN, that's his probably favorite app. But yeah, it's definitely, man, look at the top. It fits good. So again, if you want to pick this up, I will have the link on in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more coverage on the iPhone 10 and also some other screen protectors I have coming for different phones. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.